Good evening, everyone. My name is Shekinah Williams, and this is my introductory video for this course. So for my first year placement, I was at the Boys and Girls Club of Newark, New Jersey. I loved it. I had a great experience there. The staff was nice. The clinical time that I spent with the youth was great. Developing my own programs and curriculum for the youths was amazing. Um, Currently, right now, I am a case manager for a excuse me, for a nonprofit organization, a care management organization called Bergen's Promise here in New Jersey. And what we do is we provide family with referrals and linkage to in-home services, behavioral therapeutic. I work with the DD population as well as court-involved youth. We also deal with hospitalizations, IOP, which is intensive outpatient, substance abuse programs, eating disorder programs. We basically just provide resources to any type of program that our youth and family needs, with the objective of keeping our youth safe at home. So I've been doing that for almost 4 years in September. I really enjoy working with these children and families. Um, in my own personal family dynamic, I am the second oldest of five. Oh, six, sorry. The second oldest of six. My older brother passed away a little over 12 years ago now. So now I'm the head of my siblings, which has been a wonderful experience. Just keeping myself motivated by them and just keep myself driven with them and what they need from me as their older sister. I come from a very big family on both my mom and my dad's side. We're all very close. We spend a lot of time together, literally a lot of time together. So my family structure is very solid. We are Christian. We do attend church every Sunday. We pray. So that is basically like our foundation. We spend a lot of time just enjoying each other. So I guess I would say in my family, I am definitely the go-getter, the motivator, the one that no matter what, I'm either always in school or always looking to do some type of program or just like excel my knowledge in the field. Um, I don't have any burning questions. I'm very excited about this course, especially working with families every day. I'm very interested to see how you guys have interaction with families and just learn like the different dynamics and how we can continue to assist them and just be there for them in all aspects of social work. So I definitely look forward to this course with you guys. Thanks. Good night.